Hi guys, welcome to the next episode of The Zoo to You. Today you guys are in for a real special treat.
Oh great, I'm hungry. This is our nine-banded armadillo. We call him Piglet, and he is a type of animal called an insectivore. Now, he gets a special type of chow here at the zoo, but it's a real special treat for him to get his own bugs as well. So we're giving him some bugs. You guys will watch, he might miss it every once in a while. That's because he has really bad eyesight. So he's not actually seeing the bug very well, but he's using his sense of smell to find it.
Since our armadillo has had his special treat for today, we're going to make a special treat for us, an insectivore-inspired treat.
Yep.
But before we get started, make sure that you wash your hands, okay?
So what are we going to be making today?
Today we're going to be making worms in dirt cup. Armadillos actually eat worms, but we're not going to eat real worms. We're going to have gummy worms.
Cool.
So the supplies that you'll need for this tasty treat are going to be some pudding cups, whichever kind of pudding that you have. We did it with chocolate and butterscotch pudding. A cup, a spoon, some gummy worms, any kind of cookies that you have, we're gonna crumble them up, and a Ziploc bag. So your first step is you're going to take whatever cookies you have, put them into a Ziploc baggie, and you're going to seal the bag, make sure that you get all of the air out of it. And then you can take a rolling pin or just something heavy, or you can even kind of bang on it. Your goal is to break them up into tiny pieces because this is going to be your worm dirt crumble.
All right, so now that we have our dirt, what are we gonna do with this pudding?
We are going to open up your pudding, and we're gonna take your spoon, and you're gonna take one of the pudding cups. Using your spoon, put a small amount of pudding into the cup, and that's going to be your first layer of dirt. And you're going to alternate layers of pudding until it gets to about an inch from the top of the cup. Perfect. So now that we have our layers, we're going to add our cookie crumble on top.
Okay.
So just open your bag, and then you can sprinkle a little bit on top, or however much you want. So now that we have our dirt, we have one thing missing.
The worms.
Go ahead and add as many worms as you want, but we're just going to set them on top. Yeah, and you can use your spoon if you want to push those worms down into the dirt. That's your finished insectivore cup. The only thing left to do is enjoy it.
Finally, cheers. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us on this segment of The Zoo to You. We hope you had an awesome time making our delicious worms in dirt treat, and that you had such a fun time meeting Piglet here today. Join us next time for another cool activity.